Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's meet flame acanthus. This is Anisacanthus wrightii. Anisacanthus is referring to the fact that this is a member of the acanthus family, and most members of that family don't look like the plants that are in the acanthus genus. Wrightii is just commemorating somebody with the family name of Wright, W-R-I-G-H-T. But this is a North American native, more specifically the southwest US and probably into northern Mexico, which is also part of North America. And I use the common name of flame acanthus or Texas flame acanthus or hummingbird bush. And it is hot and dry, and it's August. You know, I always think some of the worst weather we have all year, but this just chugs through the hot, dry weather, being native to the Southwest, and is in bloom from probably about midsummer up until, mid-fall or so. And it certainly earns its common name of hummingbird bush with these tubular orange or orange scarlet flowers. You see that long tube. When I see a flower with the long tube, I think hummingbird or a butterfly with the long proboscis, but it's definitely a great hummingbird plant. In our climate, when we used to have zone 7 winters, it would die to the ground and quickly regrow every spring. It wasn't really set back by being killed to the ground. It just meant that it started over all fresh in the spring. And in a milder climate, it will be shrubby. It will retain stems from year to year. It's about 4, almost 5 feet tall. And this is a series of several plants. One plant can get, 4 feet wide or so. But it's one of the essential plants for the summertime garden if you want to feed hummingbirds. I gave up my hummingbird feeders and just planted plenty of things for them to nectar from. A friend visiting my garden yesterday said, "Look at all the hummingbirds. Where's your hummingbird feeder?" And I told him I gave them up and planted things like many of the different salvias and the flame acanthus and the wonderful little vine Manettia are all super hummingbird plants. It thrives in full sun. Doesn't have to have full sun all day, but a good part of the day is best, and very drought tolerant. I would avoid poorly drained soils, but just a wide range of average soils. If you're on the edge of its winter hardiness, like the cold end of zone 7, I'd probably plant it as early as you can in the spring. Otherwise, summer, all spring and summer and early fall is a good time to plant the flame acanthus. Anisacanthus wrightii. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.